whoever's running Gainesville while I'm gone. I put together some videos, gonna put it all in one. It's almost all the parking lots, the setup and delivery, where you need to park, how you need to pull in each store. That way, I know I don't like it when I'm just thrown to the wolves and you don't know where to pull in, how to get situated, where you need to do a U-turn. It causes a lot more anxiety, confusion, stressed out. It can cause damage to our equipment, parking lots, sod, plants, everything. So knowing how to get in, get out, park, everything will save a lot of stress, confusion, and anxiety. So I put a video together, all the parking lots and some of the coolers and stuff, so hopefully help you out. You park at 3246, pull in, go that way, and then back up. If you're back up down this alleyway if you're early enough. This is how you park at the second stop, University Boulevard. You come in off 2nd Ave, Southwest 2nd Ave. Come in behind the Publix there, just nose in here. Use your ramp right there. Empties are in the cooler, and all the new product goes in the far right of the cooler. Store 3214 University. So all this product will get moved to the left. These are empties, they're going out. So this will be pulling into third stop, Archer Road, store 8643. You come in right before this Planet 13 and the Wendy's. Swinging you wide. And then this little entrance right here to the left, push behind the store. Only problem is you need to get early before any cars get in here, because need to be able to come in here and do a U-turn. So we'll use every bit of this parking spots here. Go up here to the curb. And having the day cab makes your life a little easier too. Back up. We'll get ourselves turned around. Once we get turned around, we're going to back up a few hundred yards to the back door of the store. This is how I like to park at 8643. You don't necessarily have to do a parallel park. You could stay off the curb and use the ramp. I just like to use this so I don't have to use the ramp. There's the back door. All right, 8643 cooler will look like this when you're done. All the large in the back, all the medium are the next row up, rotated. Butter pan, smalls, meat and cheese. Boxes go up front by the computer, and sauce is back here. 8643, here we go. 8643 store is supposed to move sometime June 2025, which is now, and it's going to be one block to the east. One light to the east in a plaza up there to the right. So that's if they move this store this month like they're supposed to. Okay, this is the parking setup for 5150. Just pull right in front of the store. And when you go to leave, you have to blindside around this curb right here. So get out and check a lot if you need to, because you got a dumpster over there, electrical box back there, but you got a blind side back there. So another reason you want to be here early and have the day cab. Cooler setup for 5150. All the large on the right and the back, then it goes medium, then butter pan small, and then meats and cheeses. All right, this is the parking setup for 3213 right in front of the store. But if you get here after 9:30, the Sally's opens up. So you actually have to go in the second driveway down here. And pull in there and be parallel with this tree line here, and leave room for cars to get out. Then when you leave, just back up a little bit carefully and then swing it right through here and leave. They're set up for 3213. All the new dough goes in the back, butter pan, medium, large. It's all striped, and then meat and cheese right there. 4944 is in a Walmart, so I just try to get out of the parking lot as much as I can. Watch these signs here, and then there's the door right there to get in, but you have to go through the front doors of the store, go in, the master key opens it, and then you can deliver through that door. Okay, so this is 3172. Park right in front if you're here by 9:30. If you're after 9:30 or 10, it may be hard to park here, so you would have to park out on the street over there, put the lift gate right there, and have a long walk. But that's what we'd have to do if you're after 9:30 or 10. Cooler for 3172. All the new product goes on the left, and we have plenty of rollers. Okay, stop 4932. We just go behind the plaza, and back door is right there. That's it. Nose in, and then when I leave, I will back up and head back out that way.